Hi, this is Mark Vila with ColDesi and DigitalHeat FX, and today we're going to be talking about mugs, creating something just like this Wildcats mug. And what's really unique about this application, if you know a bit about customizing apparel and awards and promotional items and things like that, you know that doing a dark item like red or blue or black is typically a hard thing to do, because often you're going to do some other process where you're actually going to have to use a white mug. But with the DigitalHeat FX system and the hard surface paper, you can actually go on any color mug, and it doesn't even need to be any particular style or an exact type of mug. So the one we have here has got a bit of a frosted finish, so it's got a nice texture on the outside. It really holds the transfer well, and we're going to show you how we did it. All right, so here we are with our red mug, and we've got our Wildcats logo right here, and it's been printed on the Easy Peel hard surface paper. This one happened to be printed on a DigitalHeat FX 8432. So here we go, we will line it up. We'll use our heat tape. This is on colemanandcompany.com along with your paper, and this is a heat resistant tape, so it works perfect for transfers. And now it's ready to go into our George Knight mug press. And when you get your hard surface paper and your DigitalHeat FX system, you'll find all types of instructions, training videos, etc. that will talk to you all about your time, temperature, pressure, etc. Our mug is all done heating up, so we're going to put it aside and let it cool completely. Our mug is completely cooled off right now, so all we have to do is peel away our transfer paper. All right, here we are with our Wildcats mug, and we've completed it. There's one final step that we'll typically do for longevity, which is mentioned in instructions and training videos that come with your paper and your DigitalHeat FX transfer system. But we typically would bake something like this. It'll give it a little bit extra longevity and help with washing it. But this application is beautiful and really unique, and a lot of your competition won't be able to create something like that.